The construction industry faces a new kind of risk. In engineering and construction, precision isn't optional, it's everything. Blueprints, inspection reports, compliance documents, every file represents risk, liability, and trust. But in the digital age, that trust can vanish with a single altered file. AI-powered tools can now forge design drawings, edit safety reports, and backdate contracts in ways that are almost impossible to detect. A small change in a PDF, a clause moved, a date replaced, and the consequences can reach millions of dollars or even lives. When projects depend on digital documentation, authenticity is no longer guaranteed unless you can prove it. The hidden threat: AI manipulation in construction data. Imagine a dispute between a contractor and a client. The question isn't about what was built, it's about when a drawing was approved or which version of a compliance report was submitted. One party presents a file claiming it's the final approved version. The other insists it's been modified. Both look identical. Metadata says nothing. Without immutable proof of when the file existed, no one can tell the truth from the forgery. And in construction, that uncertainty doesn't just cost money. It can destroy reputations, delay projects, and trigger lawsuits that last years. Case study: the design revision disaster. A structural engineer finalizes a drawing revision and emails it to the client. Weeks later, the client claims the engineer approved a different version, one that omits a crucial safety amendment. The file presented looks authentic, but it's not the same one the engineer sent. And metadata was altered. The timestamps were overwritten. In arbitration, the engineer has no way to prove the original version's existence. The result? Liability for an error they didn't make, and a payout that ends their business. Case study: the compliance breakdown. A government inspector reviews safety certifications for a major infrastructure project. Later, discrepancies appear. The inspection report on record no longer matches the signed version. Who changed it? When? No one can say. The audit trails are incomplete. The system logs are overwritten. Without cryptographic proof of when the documents truly existed, even honest professionals are exposed to compliance failures they didn't cause. The new era of AI-driven forgery. AI can now generate fake engineering plans, mimic digital signatures, and reformat entire specifications without visible trace. Contract disputes, insurance claims, and regulatory reviews are now vulnerable to invisible tampering. The industry that builds the world's infrastructure needs a new kind of foundation, one built on proof. The solution: TimeBinder. That's where TimeBinder comes in. TimeBinder anchors your digital files, contracts, blueprints, inspection reports, and compliance documents to the world's strongest blockchain. Each file is converted into a unique cryptographic fingerprint, created locally in your browser, never uploaded or shared. That fingerprint is permanently sealed on the blockchain, producing a verifiable timestamp that proves when the file existed, and that it hasn't changed since. It's immutable, tamper-proof, and trusted worldwide. How it works. Step 1. Drop your files into TimeBinder's secure browser interface. Step 2. The system generates a SHA-256 hash, your file's unique digital fingerprint. Step 3. That fingerprint is permanently recorded on the blockchain. You instantly receive a proof of time certificate containing the file's digital hash, the blockchain transaction ID, a verifiable timestamp, a QR code for instant third-party validation. Anyone, from regulators to courts, can independently verify authenticity in seconds. Case study: the protected contractor. A project manager uses TimeBinder to timestamp all design submissions and safety documentation. Months later, during a legal dispute, the firm provides blockchain proof showing each document's exact creation time. The opposing claim collapses instantly. Immutable proof, no debate, no delay. Why it matters. AI can fake drawings. It can fake signatures. It can fake reports. But it can't fake time. TimeBinder gives engineers, contractors, and project owners cryptographic protection against manipulation and fraud. It transforms document control from a weak point into a legal safeguard. Protect your projects. Protect your reputation. Every drawing, every inspection report, every compliance certificate, time-stamped, verified, and immutable. AI may change how we build, but TimeBinder ensures we never lose trust in what was built and when. Visit timebinder.io. Proof that protects projects permanently.